Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. News headlines for school morning assembly. Delhi recorded heat wave for fourth consecutive day. No respite till Tuesday. Indian Coast Guard commissions advanced light helicopter MK 3rd Squadron, which will strengthen maritime security. Delhi University to set up two firms to raise money from alumni, funding for innovation. On Sunday, Delhi reported 141 new COVID cases, one death, positivity rate at 1.29%. PM Modi, Biden's virtual meet today will review bilateral cooperation. COVID crisis not over. We never know when it will resurface, PM Modi. Banaras Hindu University launched scholarship scheme for international students. And now some international news. Pak Deputy Speaker did not resign to chair crucial session on Monday. Freedom struggle begins again. Imran Khan's first comment after losing. As economic crisis spirals in Sri Lanka, Russians from India reach Colombo. No new Chinese investment, India held to maximum. Lanka ex-Prime Minister. And now some sports news. Delhi Capitals return to winning ways by out-batting Kolkata Knight Riders. Clinch victory by 44 runs. ICC Chairman Greg Barsley to complete his term till October. Ramiz Raja's four-nation tournament proposal unanimously rejected. IPL 2022 pitch invader during RCB Royal Challengers Bangalore versus Mumbai Indians game arrested. And these news headlines are for 11th of April. Thank you to all of you.